Have you ever wondered how an artist's unique style can transcend various mediums? Today, we'll introduce you to Parra, a contemporary Dutch artist known for his vibrant and surreal work across multiple formats. Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we're diving into the world of Parra, born Peter Janssen in 1976 in Maastricht, Netherlands. Parra's distinctive style features surreal, bird-like characters and saturated colours, making his work instantly recognisable. He has gained acclaim not only for his paintings and screen prints, but also for his murals, shoes and merchandise. Parra's journey in the art world began with designing posters and flyers, where his hand-drawn letters and humour stood out. Over time, his work evolved into abstract interpretations of his signature figures, celebrated in solo exhibitions around the world, including in New York, Hong Kong, and Los Angeles. One of his notable works is the mural Weirded Out at the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art, a massive 60-foot piece that showcases his playful yet thought-provoking style. Another significant exhibition, Parra, a 10-year survey, The Story So Far, was held at the Kunsthal in Rotterdam in 2015, highlighting the evolution of his art over a decade. Parra's work is not confined to galleries. He co-founded the cult apparel label ByParra, which blends his artistic vision with fashion. His designs for shoes, particularly his collaborations with Nike, have become highly sought after. The Nike Air Max 1 Amsterdam and Cherrywood editions are prime examples of how Parra's unique aesthetic translates into wearable art. Parra's versatility extends to merchandise, where his designs adorn everything from skateboards to album covers, blending seamlessly with popular culture. His ability to maintain a cohesive style across various platforms underscores his talent and the broad appeal of his work. Whether it's through his detailed screen prints, expansive murals, or trendy fashion collaborations, Parra continues to captivate audiences worldwide with his whimsical and thought-provoking creations. Thank you for joining us on Art Lectures. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.